It's your girl Britt, aka RockYourGlory. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you guys for watching and coming through for your girl. Shout out to the new backdrop right there. I'm trying to get used to it. It's bright or whatever. So I'm about to wash my hair. I just took down a protective style since April 20th something, and I just took it down yesterday. So I pre-pulled it and I took down the twist that I had it pre-pulled in, and now I'm about to rinse this pre-pull out. The first product I'm going to use is Jackie's Curls and Coils Oh So Clean Moisturizer and Softening Shampoo. Shampoo that is hydrated, it's sulfate free, paraben free, and no mineral oils and no parabens. It's pretty good and I like it. Next we're going to use African Pride Moisture Miracle Heat Activated Mask. It's pretty good. I like this mask. This is one of my go-to masks. I use it for a pre-poo too, and I also use it as a deep conditioner. Pretty dope. Nothing negative to say about it. This is bae. Period. Next thing I'm going to use is Uncle Funky's Daughter's Defunk Hair Refreshing Tonic, and I usually use spray leave-ins for my protective style, like to moisturize my scalp and stuff like that, but I just use this as my liquid for the day. The next thing I'm going to use is Originals African Best Coconut Shine Regenerative Dry Oil. It's 100% pure coconut oil, vitamin E, and jojoba oil. It's lightweight and thermal protection and flawless shine. One of my faves, you know what I'm saying? And that's that. The last thing we're going to use is As I Am Dry and Itchy Scalp Care Olive Tea Tree Oil Leave-In Conditioner. Now, let me tell y'all. It says for hair types 3 and 4. I personally didn't like this leave-in. This is my second time using it, and I had to combine it with another leave-in. It can detangle better, but this one by itself, I'm sorry to say, it's not that great to detangle with if you're trying to detangle your hair before you apply a styling product, or if you're just trying to put your hair up. Like y'all can see, I'm struggling to like get my hair together, you know what I mean? So I just don't really like this As I Am. I'm glad it's almost gone. I don't have to keep using it. So yeah, just make sure y'all don't buy it. I'm sorry. Alright guys, that's the end of my video. I did the LOC method, liquid oil cream. So I put the spray leave-in first, the oil second, and the leave-in creamy leave-in conditioner third. And yeah, so I'm getting my ends clipped tomorrow, so that's why I got them in these braids. This wasn't really a style video. This was a wash day and applying my LOC method. So make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe to this channel. Thank you guys for watching, and deuces.